Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we will learn how to apply the filter function in Excel. Look at the table, the data we have before us. We have the serial number that is, you can't even make head or tail out of it. And then so many other data types. We have names, we have type 1, we have type 2, and we have total. All right, in reference to these different items. Whatever the items is we don't really care. But we, as students and masters of Excel, we want to make a sense out of all this. So how do we apply the filter function? The filter function, we know where it is located. We come to home, and then the filter function is here. But unlike the sort function, all right, we need to first of all highlight what you want to filter, and then come and go to the editing group, and then select the sort and filter. Then scroll down to the filter button and click on the filter button. You will notice that something has happened to the data. Another button has been added to the header for the entire data group. Each of the header now have a drop down button. All right. Now, it is important you note that if you want to work with sort and filter function, you need to create a header for your data. Let us look at this instance. If you look at this data, same data but no heading. If we highlight, let us highlight that data. And then also apply the filter button. Come here, click on sort and filter, apply the filter button. And then as you would see, it is not applying. Let's try it again. Home button, sort and filter, scroll down to filter and click on filter. Oh yes, maybe we didn't do it right the first time. Now look at it. Excel has treated the first line as a header, meaning that whatever analysis, whatever sorting we are going to do here will not give us the correct analysis, because the first row, which is supposed to be part of the data, has been converted to a header. So when we are dealing with header, when you are dealing with sort and filter function, always make sure that your data has a header. Let us now go back to our original data with a header. Now, let us try and rearrange this data, according to the serial number, for instance. So we come to home, then we click on the sort and filter. We want to sort from the smallest to the largest, so we click that and look at it. We now have a serial number starting with number 1, number 2, down to number 20, which is beginning to make sense of this data. Now let us now begin to, if we are interested in a particular type that has a bug, all right, we want to look at the characteristics of those types, that have a bug as type 1. So how do we do that? If you check the type, we want to have a closer look at the type 1 bug. So we come here, if you click, you can see that all the items on that column has been highlighted. Now, if we remove all the other items, leaving only the bug, and we hit OK. Fantastic. So we only have the names of the item, whose type 1 is bug, and the other characteristics. Every other ball or insect or whatever it is that is listed here is hidden from view. So we can perform our analysis on this one, we can create graphs on the bug type and all that and all that. Now, and when we are done, we can easily come back and then select all, click OK, and all our data will be returned back to the spreadsheet. That is how to filter. So even if in this particular one, you hit on the total and you are just interested in those totals that are above 300, for instance. So you uncheck the ones that are below 300 and you click OK. So everyone here has a total of above 300. So if you want to carry out analysis, you can easily do it on this, and then you can always go back to the full data by checking everything and clicking OK. So this is how to sort data using the filter functionality of Excel. I'll see you in the next lesson.